Hello guys, I am going to show you how to use analyze customer message node in your agent. So first, when you open this agent builder, this start trigger will by default appear on our screen. So from here, actually the AI agent will be initiated. Now let's see when you can use this analyze customer message node. Actually, this node help your agent to analyze the customer message. As soon as a new message comes in, the nodes wake up and analyze what customer is trying to say, and based on the detected intent, the AI will trigger the next step in your workflow. Let's say we are making an agent who will offer discount when customer is asking for cancel. Okay, let's add one response node here. I have already written a prompt for that. If the customer is asking for cancel order, first offer them some discount, and then if the customer is saying yes, then we'll go with the discount, and if the customer is asking to cancel order, then go with the cancel order. So let's connect this node here. In this response node is connected with this analyze customer message node. Here I am giving the condition if the customer is ready to get 30% discount. In the else part, a customer is saying, no, I want to cancel my order. So we have given here two conditions. So based on the message intent, the AI will move to the next step here. So here we need two response node. One, if the customer is ready to get 30% discount, then AI will assure the discount on your next order. For the second condition, we need to add one more response here to cancel your order. So these two nodes we have added here. So let's connect these nodes with analyze customer message node. So first, when the customer is ready to get 30% discount, then reply with this message. If the customer is saying, no, I want to cancel my order, then go with this message. So you can also use this analyze customer message in the same way. Hope you understand how you can use this analyze customer message in your AI agent. Thank you.